A weathercast. Do you know why the grass is so overgrown? And what are you doing? I'm meditating, and no, I do not know why the grass is so overgrown. Oh, okay then. We only got 6 votes this time, which was less. How? The prize for this elimination is a slice of this pizza. Both Sword and Paper Tower Roll both got 0 votes, so you guys get pizza. Oh man, I just hope I'm not eliminated. Let's see if you're right. Sign, roll the votes. Looks like you're wrong, Dog Bowl, because you only got 1 vote. Yay! What? I'm eliminated? Grr, grr. You left me no choice. I have to do this. Yeah! Oh no. Do you guys know where Acid Puddle is? I don't think he can survive in water. Well, I guess he is dried out. What a popping, ready to go out. Piranha! 2 of our teammates just died. That's not nice. Oh no, we gotta put a stop to this flood. The next challenge is to stop the flood. For each team that gets a part done will be safe. Go now!
Hey, where's Hot Pepper at?
Probably because he doesn't like water, maybe. Oh look, there he is.
Guys, I have these cups. We can use them to lower the ocean level.
Shh.
Yeah, the Minecrafter's duh is safe.
Alright team, do you got any ideas?
No, and I don't think Paper Towel Roll has one either.
All we can do is drink the water. It worked.
Win this competition is safe.
Piranha, we need to recover our team now.
Can you recover Acid Puddle and Happy Birthday balloons?
Oh yeah, and give them helmets. Sure thing. They're a Sharky now. How are we going to do the challenge? The pit of fire has fire. We can just put it in the water and it'll all turn to smoke. Sometimes I wonder what Weathercast is doing right now. We should probably do the challenge.
I'm on it, guys. I got a flamethrower. We can use it to turn the water into smoke.
Whoosh.
Yay, we're safe.
That's not the most of our problems, though. How does it feel now? Do you regret your decision yet?
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Stop it! Huh? Who are you?
The name's Flaggy.
Well, looks like this team wasn't fast enough to get to the fire. Vote for which you want to be eliminated.